I am Anil Kumar Chotu, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, MC Motihari. Today I will discuss about third highway plan. I just recap the previous two plan. In first plan we have certain target, that is road density is 16 kilometer per 100 square meter of area, that is in the first plan, and total road length constructed in 20 year is 2 lakh kilometer, and road is classified into 5 category: national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road, and village road. And in the second plan, we have road density target is 32, just double of the first highway plan, that is 32 per 100 square kilometer area. And second target is total road length is uh, target road length is about 10 lakh kilometer. And third one is it also includes 1600 kilometer expressway. These are key features, and problem on this we already discussed in previous videos. Now we are in third plan. So in the third plan is also called Lucknow plan. It is started in 1981 and it ended in 2001. So this is third 20-year plan, 1981 to 2001. It is also called Lucknow road plan. What is aim of this plan? It aim constructing road length of 12 lakh kilometer by the year 1981, resulting in the road density of 82 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area. So in first highway plan we have target is 16 kilometer per 100 square kilometer. In the second highway plan that is 32, and in third that is 82. At the end of 2001 we have road density of 82 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area. And another feature is the plan has set a target length of a national highway to be completed by the end of the 7th, 8th and 9th 5-year period. It aims at improving the transportation facility in village, town, etc., such that no part of the country is further than 50 kilometers from the national highway. No part of the country is further than 50 kilometers from national highway. This is key features. Either left, either right, no part of the country is 50 kilometers from the national highway. One of the goal contained on the in the plan that expressways should be constructed in on major traffic corridor to providing speedy travel. And energy conservation, environmental quality of road and road safety is also important consideration in this plan. And major important thing, very important thing is road is divided into three classes. Previously in first plan that is 5. Now road is divided into three classes: primary road, that is expressway and national highway; secondary road, state highway and major district road; tertiary road, other district road and village road. Now it is classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. So formula for the road length calculation, and third highway plan we have no such big formula, empirical formula like that. We have one formula for total road length, that is total length of the road in kilometer equal to what is that is maximum of 4.74 into number of towns plus village. 4.74 into number of towns plus village, or road density into area, whichever is maximum: 4.74 into number of town plus village, or road density into area, whichever the maximum, either first case or second case. This is for total road length. If we have numerical is given on the third plan, first we have to find total road length. So total road length is on this formula, maximum of 4.74 into number of town plus village, or road density into area. What is road density? 82 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area. So whatever be total area, that way we can find. We see in the numerical. Length of national highway, there are clear cut area, clear cut formula. Area of the country, village, district, whatever, divide by 50. Area in kilometer square divide by 50, that is length of national highway. Then length of state highway, there are two criteria: maximum of area divide by 25, or 62.5 into number of town minus national highway length. 62.5 into number of town minus length of national highway, whichever is maximum, either first case or second case. Length of major district road is area in kilometer square divided by 12.5, or 90 into number of town, whichever is maximum. Now we have national highway length, we have state highway length, we have major district length, and other road like other district road and village road. We know all these three, so sum of these three and subtract in total length of the highway, that is given by first formula. So we can find other length also. Now we see one example for this. Here statement of the problem is area of Maharashtra is 3,08,000 kilometer square and number of town and village are 216 and 41,833 respectively. Find the length of all road as per third highway plan. What is given? Total area is given, number of town and number of village is given. So first we have to find total length of the road. So what is criteria for that? We have formula 4.74 into number of village plus number of town, or road density of the road density by this formula 82 by 100 into area of the area given. So here 4.74 into 216 plus 41,833, that is equal to whatever your calculation, 19,312.26 kilometer, or by road density we got 25, 26, 60. Which is maximum is 25, 25, 26, 60, whatever your calculation is, this one. So total length is known. Now we have length of national highway. So we how to find national highway length? Area divided by 50. Area is given. How much area you have? 308,000 divide by 50, we got 6160 kilometers. So national highway length is easily calculated. Now we have length of state highway. We have two criteria: first by area, second by empirical formula. So area divided by 25, area is given 25, you got you will got what you got, 12,320 kilometer, and second by formula 62.5 into number of town minus length of national highway. What you got? 7340. Which one is the maximum? First one. So first one is here. Now length of MDR. So area divided by 12.5. So area you have 12.5, you got 24,640, and another by the number of town, that is 60 into number of town. So you got 19,400. Which one is maximum? First one. So first one. So what is primary road length? Primary road length is national highway plus expressway. Here in the question, no talk about expressway. So we have simply first type of road is national highway. So national highway length is how much? 6160. That is okay. Secondary road length, state highway plus major district road. So state highway is 12,320 and major district road is 24,540. So secondary road. Now we have to find tertiary road, ODR plus village road. How we find? We have total length, we have primary and secondary road, subtract just. So total length primary plus secondary, total road length minus primary plus secondary, you got tertiary road system. So as per third highway plan, we have all very easy problem. One problem for practice. So same type of problem. Area of a certain district in India is 13,400 square kilometer, and there are 12 towns as per 1981 census. Determine the length of different category of road to be provided in district by year 2001. So this is for your practice. Very easy problem. You have area is given, and you have number of town given. No village is given there, so you don't consider, do not consider that. So just easily go through step by step. First we have to find the length of national highway, total length. So what is total length? There are two empirical formula as per previous slide. 4.74 into number of town plus number of village. So here 4.74 into 12. First criteria. Second criteria is what is second criteria? Road density. So road density 82 divided by 100 into, you have 13200, whatever area is given, you take that. So you got that. So do it. Now you need length of national highway. Very easy. Area divided by 50. So you have area. What is area? 13400 divided by 50, you got national highway length. Now come to the state highway. Two criteria. First criteria on the basis of area. What is that? Area divided by 25. So area 13200 divided by 25, whatever result, you can write that. And second is on the basis of empirical formula, 62.5 into number of town. 62.5 into number of town is 12. So just multiply that. You got what is whichever in maximum, take that one. Now you have major district road. So what area is area divided by 12.5, area is 13200 divided by 12.5, whatever. And second is empirical number, 60 into number of towns, 60 into 12, that maximum of that to take. Now you just classify primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, so now we already completed highway plan 1 with example, highway plan 2 with example, and highway plan 3, all plan 20-year plan 1943 to 1963, but that project is completed 2 years before. So second highway plan started in 1961 to 1981, and third highway plan is 1981 to 2001. Now recap of all these plan. In first plan, target length of road construction is 2 lakh kilometer, and road density is 16 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area, and road is classified in 5 category, and construction on the basis of star and grid pattern. Second, in second plan, highway plan, that is target is 10 lakh kilometer, and road density target is 32 per 100 square kilometer area, and also 1600 kilometer expressway to be included in that plan. This is in second part, second highway plan. Now in third highway plan, we have what are key features? Road length to be constructed is 12 lakh kilometer. Road density increased to 82 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area, and road is divided in 3 category: primary, national highway and expressway; secondary, state and major district road; and tertiary is ODR and village road. So this is in brief. Thank you for listening.